Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming connector orientation and which pins must come out. This prevents bending. Once done, secure the connector in a vise or hold it firmly so it cannot twist. Insert the terminal pin removal tool so the fork engages the retaining tang, then depress the tang gently. Pull the wire straight out using steady pressure. Avoid rocking, which deforms the terminal. Make sure to keep the release depressed until the pin clears the housing to prevent reseating. Next, tackle sticky or recessed pins by creating access and reducing friction. If a pin resists, apply a tiny amount of electrical contact cleaner or lubricant and let it penetrate. This eases movement without harming insulation. Once lubricated, depress the retention tang and pull with short, controlled strokes. Repeat rather than forcing. For deeply recessed tangs, swap to a thinner insert or a precision pick to reach under the clip. Maintain consistent angle so you do not widen the terminal slot or nick the wire. Finally, confirm pins and housing are undamaged before reassembly so connections remain reliable. Once pins are clean and straight, reinsert at the same orientation. You should hear or feel the latch click. If a pin does not seat, remove and inspect for burrs or burr deformation and correct the shape. If a pin will not release during removal, try a brief targeted heat to free corrosion or remove the whole housing to access the clip directly. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Excessive force causes permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.